The HyperX QuadCast is a popular microphone among content creators, but like any precision audio equipment, it requires maintenance to perform at its best. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate inside your quadcast, reducing its sensitivity and overall performance. Regular disassembly and cleaning can restore up to 95% of the original performance and extend the microphone's lifespan by several years. Before we begin, there are critical safety considerations you must understand. Disassembly will void your manufacturer warranty, and the internal components are extremely sensitive to electrostatic discharge. Electrostatic discharge protection is essential. You'll need an anti-static wrist strap properly grounded to prevent damage to the sensitive condenser microphone element. You'll need specific tools for safe disassembly: precision screwdrivers, plastic prying tools to avoid scratches, compressed air for cleaning, and soft brushes for delicate components. Now let's walk through the disassembly process step by step. First, power down your microphone completely and disconnect all cables. Next, carefully remove the shock mount assembly. The red elastic cords are under tension, so work slowly to avoid snapping them or losing small components. The final step is separating the upper and lower housing shells. Look for small screws around the microphone body, typically Phillips head screws that require precision screwdrivers. Remember, the internal components are extremely delicate. Take your time, work in good lighting, and if you encounter resistance, stop and reassess rather than forcing anything. In the next section, we'll cover the cleaning process and safe reassembly. Now that your HyperX QuadCast is disassembled, we'll clean the internal components and reassemble the microphone properly. First, gather your cleaning tools: compressed air for dust removal, soft brushes for delicate components, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect sensitive electronics. The most critical component to clean is the capsule diaphragm. This sensitive element captures sound and accumulates dust over time, reducing microphone sensitivity. When cleaning the capsule, use short bursts of compressed air while keeping the can upright to prevent moisture. Brush gently in one direction and never touch the diaphragm directly, as it's extremely fragile. Next, inspect the LED ring system and internal connectors. Many performance issues are caused by loose connections rather than component failure. Now for reassembly. This process requires careful attention to component alignment and secure connections to ensure optimal performance. The shock mount system is crucial for vibration isolation. Ensure the elastic cords are properly tensioned and the microphone sits securely in the mount. After reassembly, test both audio quality and LED functionality. Check that the microphone responds properly and all lighting effects work correctly. Regular maintenance is key to longevity. For heavy users, clean quarterly. Light users can clean annually. This simple maintenance can extend your microphone's life by years while maintaining optimal performance.